Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I will tell you about the ringtone problem in your device POCO C40. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the ringtone, like you want to change it or you want to do the settings, you can do it in the few steps that I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the ringtone problem in your device. Let's watch it.